Hello, I'm here to show you how to sign up for a SONA account for doing studies at the Korleski Cab Lab at the College of Business Administration. To start off, you want to go to the Cab Lab website, which is on the University of Nebraska Omaha page. This is going to be the homepage of the Cab Lab. You want to click this Get Started tab and then click the first option, which is signing up. Once you click that, you are going to have two options, whether you are a new participant or a returning participant. If you're returning, this is just going to send you directly to the sign-in page on the SONA ID system. When you are a new participant and you need to sign up for an account, you're going to click this button right here, which says Sign Up for SONA. It will take you to this account, which is going to be the sign up page. You are going to enter your first name, last name, and then a user ID, which just something that you can easily remember. And then you're going to go ahead and put in your email address, which needs to be your UN Omaha email address. So you can't use a Gmail or an Outlook or anything like that. It has to be your UN Omaha email address. That's very important. So you're going to put that here and then re-enter it. And then for your birthday, just enter your birthday. If you are under 19 years of age, you are going to go ahead and email O'Malley at unomaha.edu. This is on the sign up page if you need it. And she will be able to give you alternative study options because you have to be 19 years or older to do studies with the Cab Lab. Then you're going to go ahead and enter your phone number and then select a course or multiple courses that you are using for the Cab Lab. So you should have a lot of options, just make sure that they are the classes that you are taking. You're going to go ahead and request an account. Then you should receive an email from SONA that has your user ID, your SONA ID, which is a 5-digit unique identifier, and then an automatically generated password, which you can change later. We highly recommend that you save this email or save the contents of this email somewhere because you will need your user ID, your password, and especially your SONA ID. So once you've got that email, you've signed up for your account, and you log in, it's going to send you to this page. This is going to be the home screen for SONA. The most important button right here is the View Available Studies tab, which is where you're going to find what studies are available, time slots, etc. If you want to change your password right here under My Profile, you can change your password if you are just signing up for a new account. So when you click the View Available Studies button, it will take you to this page. Now typically there will be a lot of studies on here and time slots available. We just don't have anything running at the moment. But you will be able to view all of the studies that are available to you and select time slots for those studies. If it's in person, we recommend that you show up to the Cab Lab, which is room 270 in Mammal Hall, 10 minutes before your time slot. So just show up 10 minutes early to your study in the Cab Lab. Again, that's room 270 in the new wing at Mammal Hall. And then if it's online, you're just going to view the study website and enter your SONA ID, which is that 5-digit unique identifier that you would find in the email, or it will be on your profile if you can't find it. So just make sure you have that SONA ID before starting any study because you will need it. So this will show you all the time slots you need, and you can go ahead and register and sign up for any studies. And then just for some other information, if you need to view your study appointments, you can go ahead and click here. And then if you want to see if your credit has been granted, you can go ahead and click here as well. Credit will be granted to you through the Cab Lab, and you will be able to find that here. So that's just a quick rundown of how to sign up for a SONA account or how to log into a SONA account. Most importantly, you can find more of this information available to you under that Get Started Signing Up page at the Cab Lab website at the University of Nebraska Omaha.